or the ASEAN in crafting the post-2025 strategic tourism plan for our ASEAN nations. And in a survey conducted among our nations, it was found that the top trends that are driving the development of tourism within these countries include sustainable tourism, the development of culture and heritage, tourism circuits, digitalization, of course, in our traditional tourism offerings, and also to include gastronomy tourism, as well as health and wellness tourism. So governments in the ASEAN are focused now on developing their tourism plan towards these trends.
Maybe break it down, Secretary, because again, number one, I also started with that setting the stage as a background, that word, sustainable tourism. And the way I put it earlier in the opening speech is that we want to guarantee yung mga apo natin, yung mga anak natin, meron din ipopromote pa, hindi dapat nauubusan. Other than that, which is really keeping our resources alive for future generations, what else is sustainable tourism?
Sustainable tourism is also looking at the hemisphere